From genes to law. Genes can split in two and bear codes. The codes can form formulas. Replication of genes can form structures. Tree fractals occur in all kinds of biological structures. Our brain is built of dozens of these tree fractals. So, genes are stable molecules that can split in two and replicate by taking nutrients from the environment and by working together within a DNA string, thus multiplying and spreading. They create cells to find even more food and spread faster. In turn, these cells cooperate within organisms. Successful genes are spreading all over the earth. They mutate, cooperate, and create. The process in which all kinds of gene carriers evolve we call evolution. Genes that generate structures that fit will survive and spread. Carriers that spread their genes best survive, reproduce, and spread as well. These structures use different strategies. At least they have to be stable. Unstable carriers will lose the game and vanish. Those that reproduce fast will drive out the slow ones. And if they cooperate, they will conquer the world. Humans are ultra-social animals. Driven by their genes, they are masters in cooperation. Because of this, they can specialize. Thus, they can realize beautiful things that they could not do on their own. They are also very successful in spreading their genes. This big mammal has reached a number of over 7 billion individuals. More than their ancestors, they are masters in trade. They live in much larger groups, and they have much larger brains than our ancestors. With these brains, they can communicate better. They can make rules and write them down. Rules that enhance cooperation within powerful groups. Cooperators shall not abuse in-group members. They feel aversion to killing in-group members. They feel they shall not cheat nor take free rides. Evolution makes them feel that way, for cheaters will reproduce faster at the expense of cooperators. Thieves would gain money to get more offspring. Cooperators do not harm in-group members, because they fear God or punishment. To keep cooperation up, people make laws that make them keep their promises. They urge each other to be as reciprocal as their genes. They benefit from in-group members and fear out-group strangers. But cooperation with out-group strangers is necessary to be successful. Therefore, natural law tells us to consider strangers family so that they become in-group. Everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration, without distinction of any kind. To keep in line with our biological drives, we also must save the environment for our offspring. A biological theory of law.